This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Town Realty property video is presented by Caroline McCartney. One-of-a-kind classic Victorian built in 1905 with a stone front exterior. Home features a gracious foyer entrance with stained glass windows, double front parlors with 2 decorative fireplaces, detailed woodwork, pocket doors, high ceilings and hardwood floors. The dining room is open and spacious with a decorative fireplace and a stained glass window feature. All chandeliers convey. The eat-in kitchen is also spacious and ready for a new owner to make it their dream kitchen. The second floor has a total of 3 rooms, 2 bedrooms, 1 huge walk-around closet and 2 full baths. The third floor has a huge front bedroom, a separate dressing room/closet, a full bath and a walk-in attic that could be finished for more living space. Great location on a wide street, easy access to the Midtown and downtown tunnels. All appliances and windows